My name is Sarah Pervez. I am in 11th grade and I go to Pembroke Pines Charter. Well, I haven't done the SAT before this service. I haven't really understand like what kind of questions there are, what kind of stuff there is. So I decided to take this course to get familiar with the SAT and how it's going to be like. I've done a little bit of self-studying, but I haven't been being very consistent with it. In fact, math was like one of my weaker subjects. I mean, I wanted to pursue something more in math, but so I had to like practice a lot and I still kind of failed. It was very important for me because I feel like I could show my how good I am to like other colleges to straighten my application and also to just be better, in general, to have a good score, to have a good more opportunities later in my life with my score. I haven't really taken the test before, but I would say in general, I would have been more frustrated solely on like practicing, like having that consistent practice with the math stuff. I wouldn't understand how to solve it or how to do anything or like understand the questions. They definitely said a lot of work. It is a lot of work. It was very tough for me to navigate through. Like it's a very like long amount of work and a large amount of tasks that like I didn't expect to be busy this summer, and this class actually like makes me like really busy. And also I had vacation during the summer, so it was really hard for me to also like finish the task while in vacation. It was like difficult to make time. I honestly just like I properly communicated with the teachers in the chats of what I'm gonna do and what's my plan, because sometimes it'll be like an uneven amount of work on one day and the other days will be like full amounts. So what I do is just like I make time like separate. Like I made like 2 days or 3 days or 4 days time just for the piece of pie work, and then the rest I just do my other responsibilities. I just separate them. I would say it is definitely a little bit harder because group, right? It's not really individual because sometimes people get it and like they like get the question, but you might not get the question. So it's like really hard for a lot of people, especially the teachers or the tutors, to traverse through the packets and stuff. Takes a little bit more longer, but I would say I really like how they group each other, all the people, into their specific like level. So then it'll be more faster. You won't feel so ashamed that you're not like that smart within a group of people that are like really smart. Like you're not answering as much. I like that. I really do. The virtual part, I think it's okay. I feel like there's definitely a lot of distractions around your home because sometimes my mom calls me or sometimes my phone's over there. Like sometimes it'll be like a lot of distractions. I did like their advice on putting your phone like in some separate room. That definitely did help. But yeah, I think overall was okay. Was okay. Yeah, I think they were definitely qualified. They definitely explained everything really good. They did everything like step by step. I like that. Yeah. It's definitely a lot. It's a lot at first, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. I mean, it definitely like helps you like understand what's gonna be on the SAT and how is the questions gonna be like and how you answer them. It's a lot, but it's worth it. I would say study guides, those definitely helped a lot because also the tips and tricks you guys do, especially with the calculator ones, those definitely like really help save time and everything. The mocks do help. If you're like really disciplined, you could just like do it yourself. I don't know what my initial score was. It was definitely a little bit lower. I think 100. It's like a 530, I think. I got improved 100 points in math to a 630. I think it definitely motivated me to try better because like I feel like I could have done like a lot better, but it definitely was a really good jump start, like a good starting point for me to be focused on like, okay, where am I and how it's gonna be like and what I could do to be like better and stuff. The fact that like it's a 630, that's like the minimum I can like go. Like I know that like gives me some kind of comfort. That kind of gives me like, okay, it's not bad. Like it's actually kind of good. Like it's definitely worth it in my eyes because I am not the person to like do it every single day, like have that repetition, you know. So I'd say for the motivation, it's worth it. Yeah, if you have time, then yeah, I would 100% recommend it. Someone who's like really dedicated to getting a really good score in the SAT. Yeah, make sure you stay focused and like make the time to actually do this. Like it's a lot. It's really a lot, but it's worth it at the end.